All right, what up, Fit Fam? Make a quick video because I get a lot of people asking questions about how to hydrate or how to add the water to your peptides. And I know injecting something for the first time, especially if you've never done it, is a little bit scary and cumbersome. And where he talks about peptides, but nobody actually shows you the whole process here. So what I'm gonna do is kind of lay it out really what I do. And I'm going to show you real quick what you need. First, you're going to need your BAC water. Don't be using tap water, don't be using toilet water. Get your special BAC water. Most peptides sell it, or you can get it online. Obviously, you're going to need your peptide. Got my peptide here. And then you're going to need some alcohol to keep everything clean. I just use a little piece of tissue from alcohol. And then you're going to need a needle. There's different kinds of needles used. Today I'm using a 30 gauge 5/16 needles. Most standard insulin needle. It holds 100 IUs. That's what you're going to use to shoot your peptide. And I actually use a bigger needle to grab the water out of the BAC water. Just easier that way. So here we go. So what we're going to do is, I like to clean all the tops here first. Get it nice and sanitary. Take my needle here. For this peptide, I am going to reconstitute with 2 milliliters of water. So just push that in like so. And you're going to pull out 2 milliliters of water. There we go, roughly 2 milliliters here. I'm going to take the peptide, pop the top. Oh, I love that sound. Black. Again, sanitize the top real quick. Now this is the important part. When you reconstitute your peptide, you don't want to just slam that needle in there and blast your peptides with water. They're very sensitive. So what I do is hold the back of the plunger like this, because the vacuum in here will cause that water to come out very quickly. So hold the back, and you want to squirt the water towards the side of your peptide vial. See it kind of coming in there real quick. Right towards the side, nice and gently. So I'm still holding the back of that syringe. Coming in, coming in, coming in, and just coming. It's just squirting down very gently down the side. Again, you don't want to blast those peptides. It's very sensitive. So just let the water ease in there nice and gently. Extract your syringe. And don't shake this around like shaking. You gotta get it. Just give it a little spin right here. You're gonna see some stuff here dissolve. And for today's demonstration, I'm using some CJC ipaparelin. This is one of secretagon, helps your growth hormone, and take it right before you go to bed. So I'm about to go to bed here, so I'm gonna take that. So give it a couple minutes, let all that white stuff dissolve in there. Just spin, 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 spin. Again, don't shake it, don't shake it, don't get crazy with it here. Now, you're gonna get your insulin syringe here. Fresh one, open pack. Don't be reusing this stuff. They're too cheap, too easy to get. You buy these right on Amazon. If you want to see what I'm using here. Again, you buy these on Amazon. Unfortunately, you can't get the water anymore on Amazon. Amazon did take those off. I'll pull my needle out of the package, remove the top, remove the bottom. And again, we're gonna do a little sanitation with our alcohol. One more rub on the top of this. And for this, I can go over the conversions in another video. I'm not going to get into that because I don't want to make a super long video. But for this, I'm going to use 7 IUs, 70 units. So I don't remember if I clean the top of that, but we'll clean it again. And it's got these little lines, see right here, that just like a little bullseye, just like you're playing darts. You want to just push that right in the center here. And you will draw your peptide out. And this is a smaller needle, so it's going to come out a little bit slower. Again, we're going for 70 units. Drip, drip. And you can pull back a little bit more, increase that vacuum in there. Almost there. And one more drop. All right, and we are about 70 units. Now, once you've got your syringe filled up, get a little tap, 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 tap like that. And then you want to see a little juice come out the top here because you don't want to be squirting air bubbles inside yourself. See that little squirt? I don't know if that came up on camera. Again, draw that. And now I'm just gonna clean up a little spot on here on the stomach. And just pinch your fat like so. And then you're just gonna stick it right in there. And gently push it in. Don't ram it in. Give it a little rub. And there you go. Don't forget to dispose of that needle. You don't need to be reusing that stuff. So it's my quick video, how to reconstitute your peptides. Be safe out there. Hopefully everybody has a good night. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me in the DMs, comments. If you need a good place to get your peptides, I got you. Hit me up on the DMs and I will tell you where I get my peptides. Happy injecting, everybody.